Hi, this is Jim Starkweather, the publisher of Kitmaker Network and ArmorAmmo.com, and welcome to another episode of Turning the Page. Today we have a new book from AK Interactive. This one's called 4x2. It's a 4-author, multi-project type of book. It covers 4 modelers, 4 AFVs, 2 variants, building and painting and weathering. Building, painting, and weathering. Okay. And the projects are a Sturm 4... not sure the OKKO, Sherman Jumbo, then now, Cromwell, then now, T-34 OKKO. Obviously using something I'm not familiar with there. And the authors are Ruben Gonzalez, Sven Firsch, Domingo Hernandez, and Michel Perez. So let's go ahead and take a little quick flip through. And you can see, obviously, very high quality. It's a softcover book. We're dealing with a total of around 136 pages. Very well produced, very high quality. 2005 copyright date. There's a little forward here by Ruben Gonzalez, Hernandez. This one is the Sven Firsch, I assume, project. So, okay, KO. I'm trying to figure this out. I guess it's 2 projects done slightly differently. I mean, we have Knocked Out versus, what, OK, like a prototype. I think that's what I'm seeing here. Interesting. So they're going to cover both builds of this, I guess, both versions of it. So you can see very high quality level of modeling here. We're talking probably master modeler level. I'm going to guess. AK definitely likes to, give us the best. And some very nice work here, obviously, on this Sturm. But I am just seeing this version, so I guess we get to a point. And now we're seeing the Knocked Out version, which is, that's a different tank. And so then they go through. So there's multi projects here, slightly more than the 4 different versions of each of those. I'm assuming that's the same for the other. But anyways, just flipping through, you can see. Lots of text. This is the other one, basically a then and now, so during, in theater, and then as a museum piece. That's an interesting concept there. It'd be kind of cool to see those together in one, almost like a diorama setting. I think they were done more of a separate base scenario. But again, high levels of modeling, various different techniques in the book, painting, weathering, shading. Goes into, obviously, a lot of detail. This is the Cromwell Mark IV. Same kind of thing, then, now. Although they don't show the then, now photos here. They do the same effect for the text talking about it. So I'm not sure we do get both. Let's see. Okay. So one's, again, a museum piece, but more just like sitting up, rusty. Getting rusty. And then the T-34-76, same thing with the, in theater, and then the rusted out field version. So giving you a lot of variation and a lot of different techniques, obviously, for these types of scenarios. Actually, it wasn't rusty in a field; it was more like rusty in the street. I guess maybe it sat there a season or something after being knocked out. Probably Stalingrad or something like that. You can see interesting book. Might be a little bit difficult to track down. I would take a look for it online if you can't find it. But they just sent this to us, and obviously it was just released recently. So, our thanks to AK for sending us this preview copy. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below in the comments section, and make sure to click like on the video if you get a chance, whether it's on our website or on YouTube. And we will see you next time on Turning the Page.